Let's have another example for probability of an event is equal to the number of outcomes in the event all over the number of outcomes in the sample space. Let's have here an example. A jar contains 5 blue marbles and 5 yellow marbles. So what is the probability of drawing 2 blue marbles and a yellow marble without replacement? So how many marbles in a jar? So there are 10. Since there are 5 blue and 5 yellow, so there are 10 marbles in a jar. So this would be your sample space. Okay? And the question here, what is the probability of drawing a 2 blue marbles and a yellow marble without replacement? From the word without replacement, this is a probability of a dependent event. It means dependent event, then we are going to pick a marble in a sample space, you are not going to replace it. So it means the sample space is affected. So when you get one marble, the sample space will become 9. And you get another one marble, the sample space will become 8. When you get another one marble, the sample space will become 7. It means the sample space is affected because you are not going to replace or you're not going to put back the marble that you pick. Okay? So, what is the probability of drawing 2 marbles and a yellow marble? So, we have here the first probability of getting a blue, next getting another blue, and next getting a yellow. So, or drawing a yellow. So, we have here drawing a blue. Since there are 5 blues, so we have here 5 out of 10. Okay, so 5 blue out of 10 marble. Then, since you are not going to replace it, so in another blue, you only have 4 marbles or 4 blue, assuming that you get the blue. So there are 4 blue marbles inside the jar, divided by or over 9. Since the sample space becomes 9, since you are not going to replace or put back the marble that you have picked from here. So from 10, it becomes 9. For the yellow marble, you have 5 yellow marbles. So there are 5 yellow marbles in the box. All over, the sample space becomes 8 because you are not going to put back what you have picked here in the second event. So we have here 5 over 8. Now, to get the probability, you are going to multiply this one. Okay? So in multiplying, you can reduce this one. 5 divided by 10, that's 1 over, that's 1 over 2. You can also 4 divided by 8. 4 divided by 8, that's 1 over 2. Okay? So you have now 1 times 1 times 5, that's 5. 2 times 9, that's 18. Times 2, that's 36. Now, your probability of drawing 2 blue marbles and a yellow marble without replacement is 5 over 36. So this is a probability of dependent event without replacement.